Hello, in today's video we are going to be looking at using our CE SmartBand applied with the MPT-17 bander as a replacement of the manually applied shrink wrap sleeves on this 2-pack of aerosol cans. We'll start right from the beginning, turning the machine on, threading it, and placing the band actually on the product. Let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the power on by the toggle switch on the front machine directly under the HMI. So we're going to turn the power on. As the screen comes on, it's telling us everything is ready. We're going to press F1 to home the machine, and we're going to follow the instructions directly on the screen. Right now it's telling us to press the bander stop button. Now it prompts us to open the door. Okay. This is where our film loads. So we're going to take the film, there's a little diagram right on the touch screen showing the direction. Place the film, hold the film in, close the door. The touch screen prompts to the next set of instructions, which is release the bander stop button and press F1 to home. The machine is ready to band. So I'm going to pull off the band that's currently on, the two that I already did. Place them into the banding position and cycle